So, what I have learned in this semester, this Leia 2 subject, I have learned a lot. The first of all is I learned about the comparative policing system in different countries. So, I learned on how to understand the police organization work um, or police organization work in different countries. I also learned about the extraditions on how are you going to send a request paper to tell the government that you have to caught a crime or suspect that of you in that country. I learned also the general assemblies, the transnational organized crimes, the human trafficking, money laundering, drug trafficking. Overall, I learned a lot here in this subject. I learned about not just the laws and the policing system here in the Philippines, but also I learned the policing system in the different countries. But also, this uh, this subject taught me that you don't have to be ignorant in different ignorant a laws in different countries.